what's up, guys? It's your YouTube channel, I guess so. Tarragon Kids, gaming kids, by the way. So I am Tarragon Kid, just a little kid.
Tarragon is a dragon?
Yeah. Shall I buy another slot in my inventory? Slot.
Yeah.
I should wait 8,000 and I have that much on.
Okay.
Now we got another slot. What shall we keep? Dragonfire?
Yeah.
Tracking shadow.
Dragonfire.
Dragonfire. Do you want a rainbow or Thor hammer?
Rainbow.
Rainbow you want? Thor hammer is the best, but it attacks very slowly. So we replace it. Thanos goblet. Oh no. Ooh, that 3 machine gun. Guys, you know something? I'm gonna I'm gonna replace this gun. I'm gonna replace watermelon gun if I get the skin for the machine gun. So for now I'll keep this. I'll show you the skin for the machine gun. This is not actually the machine gun skin. This is the Demorgoose something. What do we have over here? I already got this. The what? Light brighter? Is it light brighter? The red. That is red demon. Ruin.
Devil.
Red devil. Yeah. Whatever. Let's get it. So let's get into a game. Maybe Haran will play. Got an advancement. Woo! Reward. I need 30 more points. Wait, what? What did I get? I got nothing. Why did you say I got something? I got some. Oh. Ooh. We need 700, 800, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 for 400 coins. That's it. Yay, so. So we'll play a normal match. Here you go, Haran. Play. Okay.
This is my
beginning.
first
time. I'm farting. Get this gun. Auto fire is on, so don't you hit us. You're gonna die.
Okay.
Dead. No, you didn't kill him.
Yes.
Your teammate killed him from behind. You don't need to look at that guy. You can shoot. It has not 100 accuracy. It has less accuracy than 100. So it can hit anywhere.
I may not hit, but you can still fire.
Yeah, you can. Who said you cannot? Nice. First kill.
Oh, so
Got a panther. Only some people can get that. I got it in a spin. Ooh, behind you. Nope, comes from his base. Somebody else joined me. You're dead. Can I play? Okay. You cannot play with my controls. Try to play with this gun. Oh, get him. Come on. Get him. He's a noob like you. Oh, that's a pro.
No.
That's a pro.
No.
How do you know it's no?
Because I know, but that's not a pro. It's a super pro.
Oh. It's a mega ultimate duper pro. Nice.
First kill.
That's a good workshop. Ooh,
I got a kill and I died.
Yeah, he killed you only.
What the heck?
Why do you want to use this gun?
Because I like.
Oh, somebody's coming.
Oh, yeah.
Careful, somebody's coming. Oh,
Hey.
you killed the pro. Oh, you did. You just captured him.
I got a kill again.
When your team gets 30 kills, oh, okay. I thought I could play. This is not a real RPG, you know.
I know.
Cannot shoot from far. You need to go to close. Yep, you just touched him.
It is a shotgun.
Chicken killed him. Chicken. A little chicken. Want Thanos Goblet? That's a sniper. Can't play with a sniper. It's very hard.
Ooh,
Yeah, Phantom. Really
I
good.
got scared.
Huh?
Why did it scare me?
Nobody scares
I
you.
got scared. Wait, I wanna
Look at your teammates. They're going crazy. This chicken man is a pro. Only
Yes.
only pros will buy the candy cane. Why? That's a sniper too.
Is it a sniper?
Yeah, it is. It's got a gigantic. Oh no, grenade. Oh no. Can I play? I'm playing now. Let's see how many kills I can do. We go here with my gun. I choose.
He was your enemy, brah.
He
What
was
the heck are you doing?
He was not. He was my friend. Hey, no chicken. Got the chicken. Got the chicken with my super duper skill. Let's get someone with my infinite goblet. Infinity goblet. It's very hard to get an infinity goblet kit. Oh, there's someone right there.
Is it a gun?
It's sort of. It's just a pistol. Oh, there are two people. They cloned themselves. This guy just cloned himself. Like what? Yo! Y'all. Got him. I'm just gonna stay right here. So if someone comes, I'll kill him. He expected I was there. He jumped and killed me. Got ya. Bye-bye. Let's go!
But you're the third place, bruh.
Wait. I just killed him like I'm a pro. Because this game is a newbie game. Anybody could play it. You stupid body Batatron. Stupid body Batatroner. Let us see if we completed any challenges. I want to do one spin.
Okay.
2 spins actually. Because I have 2 spins left. Wish I get a lucky. Wish I get a uh-oh. I killed all of my teammates. Oh, nice. Great. Love that. Just lost 1 person. Nope. Just lost 3 people. I think it is enough. I think it is actually enough. Oh, they're doing it. Oh, it's not enough. We need more people. We need all the people. You gotta be kidding me. We need all of them. Kill a giant. Wait. Yank. I wish that I will get because it's the OPS sniper. Oh wow. Ooh, that is good.
ये भी और ये सब भी अब आपकी
I hate you, 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 I hate you. So we completed it. Now I will take this one. So I maybe will get the machine gun thingy. Ooh, I got a unicorn head this time. Oh, this is actual. This is actual gameplay. Oh, there are a lot of people. I got you, buddy, this time. Huh? Huh? I still have those many people left. Huh? They also. Wait. Huh? Wait. No, don't touch. The game's completed that easily. I just killed a giant like it was nothing. Ha 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 ha. No! How many times am I get this? Oh, wait, what? Oh, I can do that? Then let's do it. Wait, what? Oh, I get 15 debris. I cannot do it. I got like 3 of those. Wait, what? There is no details. So guys, I guess I'll end it here. Peace out. Oh, I forgot. Please do subscribe my channel. If you don't, you're a noob. Hit the comment down below button.
This spider is gonna crawl on your face.
Okay, so get notification bell, subscribe, and after hit the like button. Yeah,
Bye.
bye bye. Hit the night
Notification.
no. Like hit the like button with your Adam's apple. That's a hard channel. Let's try it. And comment down below if you made it. Woo! Bye bye.